Here I have Motorola Moto G Play 2023, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. Firstly, you should open settings, then you should scroll down to the bottom, go to the system section, then select reset options, erase all data, and once again, and after that device will be restarted in about a minute or two. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.